So we are now in chapter 4, where we are going to be working with components. I'm going to be the driver and Bhabha is going to be my navigator. In this chapter we will learn more about using components, how to reuse them and put them together in an application. So we're going to execute the code in this following sections into our existing project for chapter 3. Right, so the first thing we're going to look at is styles. So let's just suppose that we want our stars that we had last time to be filled with the color orange, right? So what we're going to do is that in our rating.js we're going to add the following in bold, right, after export default rating. So if I go to my rating.js, so in my react.js I have this code here, right, after exporting the default rating, and we have created a new object under the rating component called styles, and in it we provide the styling specifications, right? So to apply this style we have to add the below style attribute in the div containing the rating component, right, as you can see here, right? We just put it styles dot star style, and then we will reuse the rating component that we have made and implement a product listing like in this figure here. So it's gonna look like this, and this is like in our src folder we are going to create a new component file, product.js, that contains the product component. This component will be used to render one product. So we have products.js here, sorry, product.js in our src, and we put in this code here as you can see, and then after that we are going to go to render and we're going to use props to assign values to our product into our JSX. As you can see here, we use this props here, this props.data, product name, image URL, as you can see at the top there, and the rating and description, as you can see. So with this code our product component is expecting data objects with the fields image URL, product name, release date and description. And then now we're gonna go to products.js with an S, and we're going to add a method getProducts that is responsible for returning a list of products. As you can see here, there's this method here, and then we are going to notice that in our class that we have here we currently have a hard-coded array for our product objects, right? So the getProducts method will be called in our products component constructor, and we return the results from getProducts to a products variable, right? As you can see here in our products.js we imported product from product, you can see, and then we use our constructor props and super props. So we loop through the names in the products array to list them. The function we define now returns a product component with the product data object as an input for each product. Each data object's input provides product component with values from properties, image URL, product name, release date, description, rating, and number of reviews. So the last thing we're going to look at is our app.js, and in our app.js we want to make sure that we render our products component. So we put in this code here as you can see it to render our products component. And in summary, in this chapter we illustrated how to modify CSS styles taken from React Bootstrap and reusing components to put them together in example product listing. So this is what it looks like on my browser. As you can see, we have the cats here and all the ratings. Bye bye, thank you.